how to mute or block someone on Messenger. In this video, I'll walk you through how to block someone or mute them from Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger and tap on this text. Tap on one chat. And let's say you want to block this person. Just tap on their name right here. And just scroll down. You will see block option right here. Tap on block. And tap on block right here again. In this way, they will be blocked and they won't be notified that you have blocked them. You can also report them from here, or you can also delete the chat from here. Now let's say you wanna mute the conversation. Okay, let me just unblock them for now. You can unblock them just like this. Now let's say you want to mute this person. Tap on this mute right here, and you can mute this chat for like 15 minutes, or you can just tap on until I change it like this, and just like that they will be muted. And that's it. This is how easy it is to block and mute someone on Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.